Welcome everyone to this easy, healthy lunch recipe. Let's start off with our primary carbohydrate, cassava. In a medium-sized pot, pour in some water to bring to a boil. Add some pieces of frozen cassava, making sure that they are fully submerged in the water. Cover the pot and cook on a medium-high temperature. Now you might be wondering why cassava and not a potato. It's because unlike the common potato, cassavas are a highly beneficial carbohydrate. They are rich in fiber, protein, and trace minerals. They are a resistant carbohydrate, which means that they are harder to digest, keeping you fuller, longer. Best of all, it's a natural prebiotic. Now I had some rapini in the fridge that was on the cusp of going bad, so I decided to do a little something with it. After washing the rapini, pick off the bad leaves if you have any. Take your time and make sure to get them all. On a side note, rapini, although bitter, is an amazing vegetable. Its regular consumption is known to fight various forms of cancer, regulate hormones, and helps to maintain good bone health. With benefits like these, I couldn't just let this vegetable die in my fridge. It was worth every single penny. Now, back to the recipe. Bundle the stems together and cut off the ends. Discard these. Separate the leaves from the stems and set it aside. Mince the stems. Mincing the stems helps to soften its outer layer while it's cooking, which helps to make it more edible. When done, place the minced stems into the bottom of your pan. Bundle a bunch of the leaves together and cut them thickly. Since the leaves are so easy to cook, there's no need to do too much to these. Add the chopped leaves to the pan and place it on the stove. Add black pepper and salt to taste. Follow it up with the juice of 1/2 of a lemon. Because of the bitterness of rapini, adding lemon juice to it helps to cut that bitterness down. Add a small amount of water and cook on a medium-low temperature. Once the rapini has started to soften, add 2 cloves of garlic that have been chopped in half and some butter for flavor. Cover the pot and lower the temperature to low until it is fully cooked. In a separate pan, add an organic sausage and cook on a medium-high temperature. I am using an iron skillet. Iron skillets are known for seeping some of their iron into your food, which helps to prevent anemia and the health issues associated with it. While cooking, make sure to rotate it from time to time to ensure that all sides are cooked evenly. Back to the cassava. If it has become tender, like that of a boiled potato, then it is ready. Once everything has cooked, assemble the food on your plate, eat, and enjoy. If you liked this recipe, then please support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Your support means more than you know.